In this video I'm going to show you how to do step input. You're going to need a software instrument and you're going to need to press Option Command K. This is going to bring up your step input keyboard. First thing you can do is just put the playhead where you want to put the notes in, click on a note and it will draw it in. If you want to change the note value, you can do that like this. You can change the dynamics here. That's the first way, doing step input. The other method of doing this is by playing it in onto a keyboard. You need to turn this button on here, which means receive MIDI in from a MIDI keyboard. And now when I play, it will record my notes from my MIDI controller. This allows me to put in different velocities. However, the note lengths are dictated by this area here, so if I want to put in longer chords, I'm going to have to select longer notes. And then when you're done, make sure you turn off MIDI in so it's no longer receiving information. And there you are, step input.